Hi, in this video I will go over how to use 2D adaptive strategy to cut out the outside contour of a part. So the first step, you need to go into your design tab and do sketch. Select your face and do a sketch, and you only need a outline for the part you want to cut. You don't actually need to create the slot you want to machine. And in the manufacturing tab, first thing you need to do, you need to create your stock. And now I'm just selecting the origin and where the XY are pointed. And the next step, I need to leave a little extra stock because you can see there are some white parts around the part right now. So you want the stock to cover everything, or the software will think that the cutter is cutting air. So yep, that's good. And next, you can just do a two-pass. It is important, especially for adaptive clearing, to select where you are cutting. So the arrow, you can see there is the two small arrows. I clicked on one right now. It indicates where your two-pass is, inside or outside. So that's very important to select. The rest is just normal, select the contour, how deep you want to cut, the bottom height of your part. And so I'm going a little deeper, and the stock to leave, I was actually going to do a finishing pass around it, since the adaptive is just a rough tool pass. And use climb cutting. And the non-engagement feed rate is pretty important, is when the cutter is not actually making contact with material. For this feed rate, you want to make it as fast as your machine can go, so save some time. For the helical ramp diameter, I just made it a little smaller because my slot is not very wide, so I just have just give some space for the cutter to go in. And now just let it process, and yep. And you can see I already did a cleanup pass. You don't really need to see that. It's 2D contour. And now I will show you how it actually cuts. Yep, it goes ramp down and it does a helical action. Yep, and that's it. That's all you need to know.